actually. BMI Explore. Before we compute anything, what do you think BMI actually measure? It's not perfect, but it's give a quick estimate whether someone weighs healthy on their head.
Let's test it. Suppose the height is 1.65 meters and the weight is 60 kilogram. BMI is weight divided by height squared, so that give us about 22.
According to the chart, 22 falls in the normal range, but we should assume BMI tells a full story. It doesn't measure muscles, distribution, and fitness.
Right. Still, keeping a healthy BMI usually helps reduce stress on the body, improve mood, and lower health risk.
Stress management strategies. Our stress scenario cards say exam, pressure, honestly, and something most students face.
So what signs will that show up? Physically, maybe headache or tight shoulders, emotionally worry, irritably, or feeling overwhelmed.
Let's counter it with healthy strategies. Deep breathing to calm the body, time blocking to avoid cramming, and getting proper sleep so the brain can actually function.
Coping strategy. There's a key difference here. Positive coping helps manage stress, while negative coping numbs it or makes things worse.
For example, positive would be taking to a friend or taking a break. Negative might be avoidance or scrolling endlessly on your phone.
Let's role play one positive coping strategy, seeking support.